It's a stream. Jesus Christ, I started coughing as soon as we started. What a shit show. I'm just kidding, this is a great show. No shit. Okay, maybe a little bit. Maybe just a tiny bit. Let's get an announcement out for the squad. For my squad? Where my squad at? Oh, Pico's here. Is she just hyping or is she actually here? I don't know. I don't know. Is Adam here or is he just screaming? I don't know. I guess we'll never know. I want to record a little GIF of our shield break, and let's use that as our... Yes, I do like your glasses, but what is the costume though? I don't get... What is the costume? Are you just a crazy scientist? Are you just a crazy scientist, Adam? Is that what's going on? I guess I'll never know. Oh, Nicola is watching this lovely stream. I bet he's watching it with his data in his library, school library. I bet he wouldn't lie to me. He's never lied to me before. And someone writes something in the Twitch chat so it doesn't look annoying. And sup, Anthers? How's it going, my friend? Might I say? Let's record a GIF. Here we go. Here's the flower turret. I'm good. I'm good. What a good game. Ah, we didn't manage to kill him, but it's good enough for a GIF. Oh, thank you, Adam, why would you say that? Jesus Christ, Adam. What a bully. He got a pair of glasses and look at him now. And Anthus is not my friend. This is a bad day. This is a bad day. I'm getting freaking pulverized. Freaking pulverized, bro. Is the audio, is the music a good level? Yeah, I think it is. Ooh, you suck. Man, this is not what I hyped for, Adam. You're not doing... My hair is still wet because it was raining when I walked home and it has yet to dry up. So you guys get the wet dog stream. There we go. I think this is... I think the 60 frames of a armor break, that's a good stream GIF. You're beginning to like my streams. I'm glad you're turning around. Also, hello, Agge. It's almost like Mad Wall is playing in the back of Axel's head. Great day, great day. It's true, it's true. It's almost as if you can hear what I'm playing in my head. Is this a good crop? We can do a better crop. I think this is a good crop. I'm sorry for the coughing, guys. It's a very coffee evening. There we go, game dev stream. And then as soon as I click confirm. Oh, right. Ah, shit. Ah, shit. I only put the text on one frame. Let's see if we can get it on all frames. Is it the same? Yeah. Let's get another. Let's say join our game dev stream. Sup, Vadim? How's it going? We're just slowly starting up the stream. Let's save this one in the GIFs folder. Let's do stream number 6. I forgot to save the dead pig one, which is unfortunate. That's unfortunate. Brought hype just as the live stream started when I wasn't even in it. That's what I guessed. I guessed that, Pico. I did a guess and I guessed it right. And now Adam is really impressed. Adam, tell Pico how impressed you are. Let's see. Yeah, look at this. That's a good enough stream GIF. Perfect. Oh. He actually did it. I thought he wouldn't do it, but he did it. The madman. Haha, that's a meme. So what I want to... I'm sorry. I want to add a little screen shake when the armor is broken. I think that would be kinda rad. Oops, wrong button. Oops, oops. So let's do that. I think that's what we shall do. So let's freaking do it, Shaggy. Flower turret, mama. Should we put this in the step? I guess, yeah. Let's turn on live coding and let's compile. Yeah, I have to do the headphones behind my neck because I got my my microphone. Otherwise, it just keeps making stupid sounds because it's touching my microphone. Sup, Pinko? How's it going? How's it going? How's it going, Pinko? Oops, wrong button. Windows error, wrong sound. Yeah. That's how you know it. I'm telling the truth. I wouldn't lie to you guys. If I was a liar, wouldn't that be funny? Why don't you put your mic behind your neck headphones? Wait, put your mic behind your neck and headphones normal? But the problem is that the microphone is clipped to the front of my shirt. So if I have my headphones like this, like the cord is hanging in front of my my microphone. I can't do it. We can argue about this all night, but I'm not gonna do it, guys. It's too crazy for me. It's too crazy. So let's go to our armor break logic. And let's add a little bit of shackle. So script view shake. Let's shake for 15 amounts, and let's shake for 2.2 seconds. Let's shake based on distance, and our distance fall off, and I never remember what to put here, so let's see, 0.005. Let's do 0.0005. These are some crazy numbers, guys. Oops. Oh wait. The purpose of a lapel mic is ruined if you clip it to your back. That's like wearing a tie the wrong way around. Clip it to the back of your shirt. No, I can't do that. Listen to when Axel leans back to the chair and some mumbling. Yeah. That would be cool though. I think most people would enjoy that. And if you don't, you're a freaking weirdo and you should be in an insane asylum. I'm sorry for calling you out, but it needed to be done. Alright, let's add our shake code in here. It's updated. It says in the debug window, on the stream even. Pretty cool. Do not call me a weirdo. Yeah, it's straightly pointed to you, Adam. Straightly. There's a lot of enemies in this world. Nope, we didn't do it. Oh, that's too much shake. Also, how am I supposed to tell anything with all of these enemies just running around me like freaking bees? Because bees run around you, right? Spawn a new flower grunt. Nope. Spawn a new flower turret. There's not even a flower grunt in our game. And then let's wait this out. Yeah. No, it's probably too much there. Yeah, that's too much shaking. But it's already feeling pretty heavy, dude. So let's just make it 10 and shake for less time. Let's try that out. Okay, let's try that. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to shoot you. Yeah, that feels pretty good. Feels heavy and good. I think there's some issue with... Yeah, the last sound is... Oh, I'm sorry guys, I had it on. I'll do it again for you guys. Sorry. So yeah, it feels much heavier now. And I do enjoy that, but one problem is that the pitch for the armor break sound, it shouldn't play freaking Nicola keeps lying straight to my face. What a thief. What a thief he is. So yeah, I guess we need to close this down because our audio system is not live. Okay, let's recompile this real quick while we add this code. So I guess what we want to do is just say that let's see if the this impact armor sound should probably be in the step event. Yeah, because it's not flower turret specific, so it makes more sense to have it in the step event. To me it feels like that. So let's do that. Let's remove this. Let's go in here. Armor break logic. No. Yes, I mean. No, I mean. Yeah, in here. And then we would fix the pitch issue as well, I think. Let's do armor break audio. Let's update that. Let's go full screen, baby. I wish there was a way to do this nicely without me scaling this one up and down all the time. I guess there isn't a way though. You can't have everything, guys. Fuck it. Okay, let's see if this works. Spawn flower turret. And look at this guy. Thinks he can sneak up on me. The biggest sneak. Oh yeah, now it works. Sounds good. Oh, I'm sorry. And then we will have a break sound as well. Rad. Rad. So next, Engan added the unfold VO for the flower grunt. Did I merge that? No, I haven't merged that yet. So I guess we're gonna have to do that, yeah. So I guess I'll do that. Should probably set some sort of hotkey macro to snap the game window to some size for streams convenience. Yeah, but I don't know if there is though in OBS. I don't think there's a good way to do that. Let's show my actual screen for a little while and go back to freaking 15 FPS while I just commit this sheesh. Yeah, so now you guys are in for a bit of source tree fun. That could be fun for no one. Haha. Yeah. Stream hype. Alright, here we go. I'm even in freaking master and working. Man, I'm being sloppy today. And I'm sorry about that. Oh, I don't know about OBS. Yeah, because I'm not actually moving the window. It's just my stream setup. So we added some shake and fixed the armor break sound, whatever, it's not important. I brought some film to use with an old SLR camera so I can take some authentic stalker pictures like a stalker. Just like in Stranger Things, when the guy takes a photo of the girl, right? You all remember that part in Stranger Things. What a good part. I switched from Twitch to YouTube stream because the delay was incredible. Oh, the Twitch delay is really long? I'm sorry to hear that. But it seems like it's Twitch fault since YouTube is alright. I guess. But I'm glad we guys can give you options. Alright, I think we're done with source tree fun for tonight. No, not really. We gotta merge my branch as well. Picardo. How's the quality, like the resolution on Picardo though? Is it good? I'm not sure if you answered me or yourself there, Adam. Let's go back to Voidigo. The game you will buy, as the tagline goes. Oh, Picardo is even closer to the truth. That's crazy that the smaller sites have... Oh. Ah. Adam? Did you really need to get my attention for that? Adam? Adam, I'm gonna smack you on the... Can you please do a check for me, Adam, where I hit you? So these are the new sounds we're gonna add. Let's see here. No, not those. It's the sound when you drop your freaking I don't know. Imagine a good joke. That's the sound. That's the punchline. Good joke, Axel. Okay, let's add these bad boys into our good game. Unfold. Let's do unfold with lowercase letters, because that's important to me. Maybe I should make it so you guys can see. But I don't want the letterboxing though. Maybe we can do it something like this. Feels... you guys don't need to see my freaking folders. Who cares? Oof. Let's add these sounds. Kidney, that's a good hit. That's a good hit. Those are... the kidneys are a vital organ, as far as I'm concerned. And I'm pretty concerned. Let's see here. Let's see here. Enemies. Well, 1 turret, flower turret, mama, initialize. Let's make it live. Is our audio system live? Yep. Is our step live? Yep. Let's compile. Let's compile. Also, this loose uses VMP for audio. I'm using Winamp for audio, Adam. I'm listening to stream music, see? I can't listen to music and listen to sounds in the same freaking program, dude. Wake up. Wake up, dude. Jesus. This is not I'm not threatening you. I don't want to fight because I know you're a karate kid. You wake up. Okay, the compiler started. It's saving. Talk amongst yourselves. I can play the sound of yeah, I don't know. I think we have a new song actually that I could play for you guys, which is pretty freaking rad. Let's see if I have it here. Oh yeah. We actually have Engan did a test for the transition level between levels, where you just go into the bright void, and it sounds a little bit like this. It's really nice and calm, like a little respite between levels. Then you imagine it's like a super bright environment. There's just like footsteps pretty much. It's really good, it's really good. Engan did it in like just an hour or something as a test, and it's really good. So we were talking about kitchen nightmares. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt you guys. I actually told you guys to talk amongst yourselves, so I think I have nothing to complain about. I think I shouldn't complain about you guys. I think I really shouldn't. Let's add these new flower turret sounds, these O's. See the unfold. Engan Magic Audio Man. It's true. It's freaking true. Oh, here we go again. Here we go again with the freaking void. Come on. What up? Bring it. Yo. Come on. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I also added some Hype Man sounds to it this time. Got the void, what up? Weird remix? I don't know. There's a super small chance there's a little Hype Man in the void. Of course you can kill him. Alright, let's see. Man, I'm sorry about my coughing today. It's uncalled for. I forgot to open up my freaking net log, dude. Now I have to restart here real quick. Who tries to ruin the nice song? Yeah. No, he genuinely tries to add to the song, but he's just ruining it. Okay, so let's see here. On Unfold, we want to play another VO. This VO is for frame 6. What? Oh, right! We added the hit sound accidentally to when he unfolds. Alright, let's just switch it out with the unfold sound then. And it should be already fixed. Was an interesting little mistake. Let's see if we can get it. I accidentally made it the baby sound. Oh my god, come on, let's just... Everybody calm... No. Everybody calm down. Let's listen to this. It looks so so weird. Okay, let's do it correctly this time. Let's not do baby. Oh, it's because it's not called Unfold, it's called Spawn. That's right, that's why it was the wrong one. Have you thought about Easter eggs, like somewhere if you look outside the map you can see that creepy old dude? Or like you could find him in a void? Yeah, we're probably gonna do a couple of really like low chance events for sure, but we have to be careful so we don't put too much development time into those, since it's such a small percentage of the players that see them. But yeah, for sure, that would be fun. Okay, let's kill this one. What? Did I not save? You're shameless, Adam? You're not from Ireland? Gotcha. Alright. Listen to this. Yeah, there we freaking go. Yeah, this is rad. This is... We got him. Cool, cool. Now I think it's time to start doing adding the VO for the flower, the grass grunt. This little lady. Right now, completely soundless. That's how it sounds right now. But let's freaking do it. Oh man, were I playing in 15 FPS? Why didn't anyone tell me? All right, let's freaking do this. Let's freaking do this. So let's stop live calling this stuff. Don't need to do that anymore. We're done with the flower turret for now. For now, we never know. We might come back to it in 15 years. Or when we get the poison and the stun sound. Alright, let's listen to the sounds first and foremost. I haven't listened to them yet. Well, I've listened to the raw ones, but not the... This is attack. This is the sound when the flower is wiggling and it's about to spawn. Death. Dodge. Fly. Hurt. Run. These are looping though. Well, I mean they aren't looping, I guess, but it goes to a new one. Kinda like this. It's gonna be really funny. The spawn sound when they jump up. Brap! Just like a freaking rapper. Yeah, randomized in a loop. That's it. And then the tell when they are like putting up their bat ready to hit. And then it goes to the attack sound. Brap, brap, brap. Just like a freaking gun. Yeah, this is gonna be really good, guys. This is gonna be really good. This is gonna be really fun. So let's start adding it in. Again, sorry for my coughing. Yes, great work. Pico, don't forget ängan! Don't forget the ängan, Pico! I didn't do anything though. Let's see here. We have the animation. We do not have the initialize. So we're gonna need that. We're gonna need that for sure. Let's start making some new scripts. So we can live code. I was about to say frickin' again. I'm gonna try not to say frickin' too much. I mean, it's a great word, but I shouldn't say too much. It loses its meaning. So this is the initialize script. Dang it. There we go. Up. Update live. And then let's just grab everything in here. Put it in here. And then instead use the script. Cool. And then we have the step event. Do we need to put something here? I don't think so. Everything is probably inside the grunt parent. No, the grunt parent. Grunt step, this guy. So let's live code or turn on live updating for this one as well. Where are our animation systems? Here's the animation systems. Let's just make a copy of the grass grunt. And instead of animation, I should rename this one so it's a bit easier. Let's not have enemy, let's just go with en, and then let's do anim sys. Let's switch that out. Don't die? Yeah, no, I'm not gonna. You'll add me? Yeah, that's... Now I finally have a reason to add it to the game. If there's kudos involved, count me in. Count me in. Make a new guy. Let's call this one audio sys. Short for audio system. Just something we use in the business. Just a little shortening we use in the biz. Biz is short for business. Just a little shortening we use in the biz. Which means business. So now we have the audio system, we have the live call, we have the animation system. Updated live as well. I think we're pretty much done to start coding. One of my favorite times. Audio sister? That's not what it's... Frickin' Adam, he's obviously not part of the biz. Obviously. Maybe I should take a little break and make another cup of coffee. Tea! Another cup of tea. It's too late for coffee, guys. Way too late. I am part of the TV and film biz, okay? The biz, it's short for business. No coffee this night. You know how I get when I drink coffee too late, Pico. Oh, Jesus Christ. You know how I get. Oh, yo, Jesus Christ. Okay, let's go to not 15 FPS stream. And there we go, there's the thing. I guess we haven't really added anything, but let's just set up a test area. Here we go, a nice test area. Let's spawn a... I'll make this a bit bigger for you guys. You're drinking coffee? Everybody knows that. Spawn a flower. Now it's ready. Now it's ready. As soon as we add something, we can just go up to this flower and then hear it. So let's start by adding the hit. The hit sounds. We don't need this. Goodbye. So hit sound. Whoopsie. 0 equals. Oh, you guys know what? We set everything up, ready to be coded. We even spawned a flower, but we didn't add the sounds to the game. Doi. Doi. What a freaking doi this guy is. I said frickin' again, that's fine. It was a special occasion. Let's add a new folder in here. Doi. Grass grunt. That's not how you spell grunt. Let's just add everything. Yes, sounds. And now let's look at game maker spazzing out and spawning a bunch of windows for me to click through later. At least you can drag and drop. Before I knew you could drag and drop, this was hell. Stop with the coughing, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I will. No, seriously, I will. I will never cough again. Alright, here we go. And now comes the fun part where you remove sound 200 whatever for every sound. Is it fun? Or am I facetious? Let's learn how to say that word, guys. Facetious. Is that how you pronounce it? Facetious. Everybody try it at home. Facetious. It's always annoying when you say a word and then as you're saying it, you realize you don't know how to say it. And that's really annoying when you do it in a professional sense as well. Because you have to decide quickly if you should just give up and say a synonym to that word, or joke, like make a joke about that you couldn't say the word. Because if you continue trying to say the word and then don't do a joke about it, it's real awkward. So that's a little tip to you guys if you want to get into the biz. Learn how to say words. I still haven't though. So maybe you shouldn't learn anything from me. Alright, almost through these... This is not a frickin' situation, so I'm not gonna say frickin'. Okay, now we have all the sounds. Now we can do it for real.
Excellent.
It's funny that Walter can't do Axler, but Pico can. That means Pico has a higher status than Walter. That's a fun little behind the scenes. Facetious. Felicia. I mean, he didn't really want to do anything with my attention once he got it, so maybe you shouldn't have helped him, Pico. It's pretty annoying now that we added the armor break. Oh, but the classic Axler sound did play. Did you not hear it? Is it too quiet on the stream? We can make it a bit louder if you guys can't hear it. Because I don't wanna giggle alone. Now it's louder. Oh, I'm sorry. Now you lost the privilege, Pico. You flew too close to the sun. Alright, let's add these sounds now for real this time. Grass grunt hit. No, it's called hurt. Alright. Hurt sounds. 3. We got 3. I almost did it again. Picorus. Picarus. I get it. I get it. Yeah, you were too helpful. Okay, let's go into our audio system here. Let's sort this by name so it's nice and tidy. Audio system. Hit. If hit impulse. That's basically all the code we need. Then we need to let's just copy the code from our flower turret because that code was amazing. This code. We want to. All right. We need to add a variable called current VO. Actually, have we added that to the parent, the enemy parent? No. Did we add it to the grunt parent? Yeah, we did. Okay, then we don't need to add it again. So we stop the current VO, and then we find a new sound, and it makes sure it's not the same sound as the one that already played. We set the gain to 0.8. Is that too much? Let's see. There's only one way to find out. And that should be all the code we need to get some hit sounds in. Sup, Rexy? Long time no Rexy. Spawn a flower. Let's see if this works. Well, I gotta say, didn't really feel like it worked. Somehow it's removed. I think it's because in the anim sys we have an instance destroy. I think, Yes, kill host flower. This is probably instance destroying our entire flower grunt. So what we can do to fix this is just to add a new script called script enemy grunt flower host flower kill. Host. And then we go like this. And I think this should fix it. Let's try that. Oof. Oofa boofa. Why was it bad that you added the armor sounds? I feel like I'm missing some context here. Yeah, I don't get it. I don't think... Yeah, I probably started a sentence and then trailed off. You know what ruins that perfectly soothing voice of yours? Coughing. Oh yeah, now I know what you mean, or what I meant. I'm sorry for being confusing. So when we use NPC kill, I'm used to it killing everything, but now it just stuns the flowers. So I have to type it 2 times for all the flowers to die. Yeah, I should just make some tea. Let's see if the flower hit sound works first. Is that normal? Wait, was there a bird in? Oh yeah, it's just a bug. But since it's pretty cozy, we haven't fixed it. Okay, now it spawns. Oh my god, this is so good. This is gonna be so good. Oh my god. This is gonna be so good, guys. They're gonna feel so funny. They're gonna be so funny. This game is gonna be funny. Alright. I thought it was a bit loud though, so let's try 0.5. I'm gonna take a tea break, but I'll be back soon. It doesn't hurt that much, I'm just hamming it up for the camera. As you know, I always do. Let's do some BRB video and I'll be back in a little bit. And you guys freaking behave, alright? Alright, I'm looking at you guys. Alright, see you soon.
This is a regular pony.
Okay, let's start the meeting with... That dog is not supposed to be here. Woof! Woof! Security. Woof!
I am an old tree.
Interesting!
You really think so?
Oh, sorry. Yeah, it's gonna be so interesting cutting down that old tree tomorrow. This tree. You can't see it.
Oh.
I have mastered my fear and I am in the woods.
Hello, hello.
My fear is back.
Oh no, we need a wizard.
I am a wizard, but I'm a douchebag as well. Bye-bye. Pew pew. Ah, there's some magic for you. Aye, who wants the ride of their life?
Over here, I want it.
Up.
So this will be my ride of my life.
Oh, this will be the ride of your life.
Now, let's go.
Up. There's a ride of life.
That was my ride of my life.
Do you think that I would make a great rapper?
Crabs don't talk, silly. We pigs.
Ouch! Grab my hand.
Okay.
Now we are finally one.
I haven't signed up for this.
Really? I thought we had the paperwork all figured out. It's gonna be a long summer. I bought this little ninja. Yeah, what's the problem? He's always taking the best potato and running around with it. He's so super fast I can't take it. I have something to tell you.
What is it now, Poo-Poo?
I was investigating a tree yesterday and I found this. A little monkey.
Please put me back. I miss my family, my home, and my part-time job as a janitor.
Dance!
Finally, the most perfect robot.
Beep boop, I want cereal.
I have no cereal.
Well, beep the fucking boop.
Oh, the mother load. It's gonna be mushroom soup tonight.
Now scream it out. Boogie boogie.
Gloria! Where are you?
Have you ever heard a story where a heart happens to be on someone's forehead? Interesting. Oh well, story time.
I can't afford all these pancakes, and this one is super expensive.
No worries, I can work off your debt.
But you have no arms and no legs.
Not a problem.
And no torso.
Well, that's gonna be a big-ass problem!
Good time pancakes.
Ooh, have some pancake. Handsome man cake. No.
I'm back. And I'm still coughing. What if I didn't come back, guys? What if the BRB video never ended? Wow, what a thought. What a horrible thought. Let's see if our new audio volume worked better. Yeah, I think it's pretty good. Coffee is not gone, more tea. Well, I didn't drink any tea, I just made tea. I burnt myself. Now you know how I sound when I burn myself. That might be interesting. I think you don't really know someone until you know how they sound when they burn themselves. That's just my way of looking at life. Very calm. Yes. I would probably have a different sound if I burnt myself even more. But this would be the macabre. Macabre. That's another word we should learn how to say. And when I say we, I mean me. So I want to actually remove the hit sound that we have as a temp in the script enemy hit. And as a temp, no more private information. Yeah, this was the last of my secrets. And now you know. So the last... it's not in here? Really? So where is that sound? Oh, it might be inside the grass hit. Macabre. 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 Right? That's how you would pronounce that? Macabre? I don't know. I don't know phonetics. I only speak normal. So let's remove the audio hit here. Okie dokie. Let's open up the game again. And let's tag this as VO. And let's do another one with sound effects. And let's do script audio. Let's do up. Via local variable, and that's sound enemy. No, is that not what it's called? Sound flower turret. Hit. So this sound. Let's use that as a temp sound. This is for the flower turret, but it will do for now. Let's see if we can find a good gain. Uh, 0.5, let's try that as a starter. And then script audio, and then we play our local variable with pan and pitch of 0.1. Let's save that, see how it works. Oh, you know what would be fun? If you added sickness effect that you can cast upon the enemies. And because you don't implement any medicine, the enemies would catch a massive cold that would expand to a serious disease. The family of that enemy would not have enough money to keep up with the medical bills, and the enemy would die of lung cancer while the family is left with sorrow. Yeah, that would be fun. Yeah, that would be fun. Actually, Voidigo is a war with public healthcare, so unfortunately that wouldn't work. It was something we decided on pretty early in the development, and at this point we're pretty much stuck with it since it's so rooted into our physics engine. Alright, let's see if the hit sound is anything close to perfect. Spawn a little flower. Yeah, I think it works. Although I freaking forgot to remove the death sound. Wait, where is the death sound though? Is that also in the... Where is that? Is it in the step event? No. Is it in the parent step event? Probably. Death logic. Cell logic. Dodge, attack, fly. Let's just search. Did I spell it HT? No. Did I spell it correctly? Yes. Ah. There we go. Oh, we have a specific death script, right? We fixed that. That's very nice of us. Let's see, is the audio in here then? should be, right? Yeah, it's up here. Script audio. Let's remove that so we can add our own sound. Maybe death sound is the next one we'll tackle, so let's do that. It's an easy enough. 1, 2, 2. That was a weird way to say that sentence, but I trust that it was really entertaining. Did someone say something? If you guys see a burglar behind me, just write actually in the chat, and I'll turn around and stop him. Let's do death 01. And we have 3 of these, I think. Yes. No. If you lie to me one more time, Anthelus. 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 Let's do death. And let's add a new variable called... Actually, where do we destroy our... Oh, I'm sorry, I shouldn't have this full screen when I'm coding. Anthelus, come on! Jesus, it's life and death, man. Flower... Death. Here we go. Here we go. Here's the instance destroy in our death script. So we could just I think we can just use the dead and then add a new variable called death sound played, not player, played. And then we put this at the end here, set it to 1, and then we set a condition that it hasn't, that is 0, so that will make this only play once. We make sure it plays our death sound and our death temp sound. And that should be it. Let's see if we got that stuff working. It's the full name as well, so it's extra strict. Yeah, I was actually a bit concerned you were really angry with him. I mean, you should be, but at the same time, it makes me shiver. Felt so stern. Jesus. Spawn a flower. And let's kill it. Oh! And it was at the same time as the beacon, so we couldn't hear the sound. What's the chances? Yeah, there we go. Freaking, and now it was at the same time as a bird. Yeah, that's a good sound. That's a good sound. That's a more... Cool. And now I got some tea in me. So everything is all right. Okay, death sound. Take it off, baby! I will make that my my catchphrase and no one can stop me. Let's do spawn sound next. I will not make it my spawn sound. What does that even mean for a human? When I'm born or when I'm awoken? Imagine a baby being born and then saying, tick that off the list, baby! Like, being born is part of the baby's bucket list. Okay, let's do spawn sounds. And let's stop thinking about this weird baby. I think we have 3 of these as well. 3 is the magic variation number. If it's not running. If it's running, it should be 6. In my opinion. And Engen's opinion. So... if... if sprite index is spawn, is it not called spawn? All right, we're playing the dodge animation when they are spawning. So let's make it sprite state instead. I'm not sure what sprite state this one is. Is it the baby in the gift that Pinko tweeted? Yes, I believe so. I hope so. I want to believe so. Let's see if we can find what sprite state spawning is. It's spawn. Doi! So if sprite state is spawn and we're on frame 1, let's say 1, then we play some freaking VO. We play the spawn sound VO, and that should be all the code we need for that. Let's see if it works. Let's have a look and see. We're gonna plant a lot of flowers in this region. We should activate this beacon. Oh no, we probably shouldn't have. Now there's gonna be an idle sound. We should walk somewhere else. Sometimes you just wanna listen to the footstep sounds. This game has some nice footstep sounds. And this is a good place to... No, now we're back to this thing. Oh! Well, we tested the sound. It was the brap. The gangster shoot sound. Okay, this is gonna be our test area. It's so good. It's so good. Oh my god, and there's another beacon here. What's the chances? I just want a nice grass area. Is that too... too much to ask for? It is. So let's do it here. Yep. Spawn sound. Take it off the old list. Next is let's do should we look at the build-up sound? Yeah, maybe we should look at the build. No, actually, because the build-up sound is inside the flower, and we aren't live coding that right now, so let's not do that yet. Let's do instead the dodge. The dodge. We could do the dodge. So if spawn, no, if if it's... I'm not writing an if statement right now. So why do I sound like I'm writing an if statement when I'm just doing a freaking array? I'm not making any sense. Anyways, let's add dodge. So if sprite index is, and then we do the dodge. Oh, but we can't do it like this because we're using the same one for spawn. So let's do sprite state equals ss dodge and script frame is 1. Then we want to play the VO for the dodge, and that should be that. Really hammering these out, aren't we? Like, we're really good worker bees. Because worker bees are hammering out the voice lines, right? That's how worker bees do. Let's see. Wait, it was playing the dodge sound after it spawned. Yeah. Wait, why is it playing the same sound? Our repeat VO should have taken care of that. Why did that happen? That doesn't make any sense. Let's do frame 2 for the dodge. And let's look at the repeat VO code. While current VO is not last VO, so old VO, new VO. One, two, three. Yeah, they are very different. Dodge, dodge, dodge. 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Makes sense. Yeah, we're gonna have to investigate this a little bit later. Maybe I actually shot it. Did I shoot it between dodges? Because in that case it would reset. It seems like it works. I'm sorry for not zooming in there, I forgot. Alright, let's call it done. Let's call it done. Let's do fly. Let's do the fly. Fly, fly, fly. There's a smarter way to do this, and why I'm not doing it might be something we'll never understand. never. Let's do a fly. If sprite state is fly, and we're gonna have to add a new variable here, so fly sound played is 0, because this animation is looping, so we're gonna need to do that. Sprite state is fly and it hasn't been played yet. Then we do the VO, and we do the fly sound, and we set fly sound played to 1. And let's do an inside condition here where we do if we move this one in here, because we want to reset it as well, so this is the easiest way to do that. So if fly sound is not played, else we reset it. Oh man, there we go. And brackets are really hard to type. Did you guys know that? It's probably the hardest part about coding. Probably. Oof. Let's see how this works. Oh, Walter has set spawning a creepy arm to Q. So we're gonna have to recompile and remove that. Brackets are like hurdles, yeah. But you feel so good after you've jumped over one. Let's remove the creepy arm. Player, object player, Q key. Let's comment this out, and then recompile. I didn't mean to scare you guys with the scary arm, by the way. So if you did, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. Hello, Adam. You've missed all of these sounds being added. Look at all these sounds you missed being added, and now you will never hear them unless you continue watching our streams. I guess that's if that's something you want to do. I don't know. I don't know why you would. NPC kill. And then let's kill everyone. NPC kill. And let's do it again for all the homeboys out there. Spawn flower. Okay, now we should be able to test this. Yeah. Oh. Disappeared. Oh, I think I know why. Yeah, I know why this is happening. This is the same issue we had before with the flower turret. Let's see if we can fix that real quick. Script enemy grunt step. Stun logic. And then here. Oh no, that's creating it. What we want to do is in here. Script effect destroy. And then we put this guy in here. And then we can remove this code. Clean it up a little bit. Yeah, that should be it. Oh, why is the game background? Okay. Alright. Here we go, let's try it again. Yeah, now it works. And I guess we should add when when it hits the ground, it should be playing a hit sound that also stops the flying sound. Yeah, I think they work really well, Adam. I think Penny did a great job. Woohoo! That was a really bad impersonation, and I'm sorry about that. Let's add the on ground sound, which is the same as the hit sound, basically. So if sprite state equals ss on ground, actually let's do sprite index equals, and then we look at this and we do the on ground. Oof. And the script frame. And what frame should we play the hit sound on? That's that. No, maybe we should actually have it when it hits the first time. So here, poof, on frame 3. Let's try that, see how it sounds. I think this will be a nice end to the fly sound. I think it will work pretty well. Actually, can we do hit impulse equals 1? I wonder if that would be a smart way to do it, although we would have to put it higher up in the hierarchy, up here before the hit. Actually, maybe we should do another one that's hit sound play equals 0. And then we do that instead. So we have hit impulse or hit sound play, and then we set it back to 0 down here. I think that would be a nice way to do it. I'm making pizza, please remind me in a few minutes that I am making pizza. I would, but you gave me a scare before and I don't think you'd deserve any of my help. What's the convention around putting underscores after your comments? Is it a title header to make things look neater? It just, I think it's easier to read because it gives it like a little, it helps the eye. Because if there isn't one, I feel like sometimes it could be hard. I kind of do like the title of the code that, so I have a long bracket or underscore, and then I do smaller underscores or no underscores for the code inside. I just feel like it's a bit easier to read, at least for me. And me, as I usually say. So let's see if we can get a nice hit sound when we make these flowers fly. Oh, it was too loud. Oh, wow. Yeah, I probably should have it at the second impact rather than the first impact, I guess. Or maybe the fly sound is just too low in comparison to the other sounds. Maybe let's put up the fly sound a little bit in gain, and let's change the hit sound to be on this frame instead, so frame 9. Let's see how that works. Oh, you guys didn't see it. It shouldn't be overlapping. Yeah, I like it. It needs to be muffled before... No, Adam, we're not gonna do that. Okay, I'm done. Wow, actually, it was just a joke. No need to take it so serious. Oh, me lord. Oh, that's what the P mouth means. No, I'm not Pinko. I wouldn't. I'm not a freaking weirdo. I'm just a tester. I'm just a game dev tester. Next sound, please. Next sound is... Let's do tell. I feel like run is gonna be... I guess we can do run now. Give ourselves a little... a bit of a... challenge. Because this one will be a bit different than the other ones. And rightfully so. So we have 6 of these. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm sorry, that was a little hiccup. Thorough testing, very thorough. Yes, you know me, you know me. So, I guess, let's just try to do it the easy way first. See if that works well. So if sprite index is the run one, and the script frame, what frame would be good to? It would be on one of the down, so that maybe frame 3. Script and frame is 3. Then we stop the current VO and we play the run sound, and this should be pretty low. Okay, let's try that out. This could be horrible or it could be really cool. It's good. Frickin' Nick. I love this. So, you need a contingency in the code so it doesn't play the sound 3 or 4 times or more in a row. We already have that add-on. It can't play the same sound 2 times in a row. Oh yeah, I wouldn't know, Anthus. You should probably just think about something else. Oh, that's okay, Adam. Let's try to play the sound on every step instead of every other step. So now it plays on this frame, and then it should play on frame 9 as well. It could be annoying, or it could be physically accurate and nice. That's what it says on my dating profile. Physically accurate and nice. Okay, let's see how this works. Did we update it? No, we didn't. Hoo boy, that was a close call. Hoo boy, I wouldn't want to be that guy. There we go, updated. Let's try this out. No, it stops the last sound. I think there might be a pop in one of the sounds actually. Let's listen to them. I think it's this one that starts. Yeah, I think it's this one. Let's try switching it out for now to a different one and see if we still get the same feeling. Abandon your character, yeah. Let's see if we get the same popping feeling. Yeah, it sounds exactly like Kazooie. Oop. 7 birds! Let's see how it feels when there's 2. It sounds like a bunch of ducks. That's freaking amazing. When there is a certain amount of enemies, you make the sounds more weighty. I'm not sure I understand, but it sounds like a lot of work. Alright, I think that's good. I think we're... yeah, let's leave the run like that for now. I think it works pretty well. Maybe we shouldn't stop the last sound for the run. Let's try that. Let's see how that... Yeah, it sounds like if there's... What you're proposing is that if there's a bunch of enemies close by, they stop playing sounds individually and then they play sounds as a whole. And that sounds like a lot of work. Yeah, I think that's better. That it doesn't stop the last sound. All right. Let's add the. Let's add the. Let's get a clean take of that. Let's get the tell sound in. That's what I wanna do. Tell. Oops, that's not how you write an L. Tell sound 0 is. But what you were saying is kind of what Walter wanted to do with the flies. But we kind of deemed that a bit too crazy. We deemed it too crazy. And we don't usually deem things too crazy. As you guys probably know. I'm calling myself crazy. Aren't I a crazy guy? Okay. Alright, enough of that. So if sprite index is tell, and for this one we will need a new one called tell sound play. Do we? Yeah, tell sound played. Too crazy. Too crazy, way too crazy. Wow, what a craze. Tell sound played null. That's 0. So if we're playing the tell animation, and if we haven't yet started playing the sound, then play the sound. Yup, and yup. And set the played variable to 1. And if we're playing anything else than the tell, then reset this variable back to 0. Let's try this out. It will feel pretty anticlimactic until we have the attack sound though, but oh, it sounds just like freaking R2D2's. Oh, what? It felt like it was playing VO over VO there. Yeah. It feels like it doesn't stop the last VO. Why is that? Is it too slow? Should we not have done this change? It could be that it fades the last sound out too slow. Let's try making it twice as fast. Sounds like Toad? Yeah, I can see that too. Let's kill all of these enemies. Let's see if it feels more snappy now. Yes! Yeah. Now it feels more like it's stopping the last sound. Feels much better. That was probably the issue you felt with the fly sound as well, Adam. I was a fool not to believe you. Yeah. Oh yeah, look at this! It's a sign. What does this mean? What could this mean? I guess I don't really care. It's just freaking pigs. Could care more. Couldn't care less. Let's get the attack sound in. And then we only have the build-up sound. I make it sound like I already did the attack sound, but I haven't done the attack sound. So there's not only the build-up sound left because I didn't do the attack sound. And if I lie to you guys one more time, please call me out. I shouldn't get away with this. I shouldn't get away with this. Alright, that's the variables. Do we need to have a variable for... No, we don't. Because it's not looping, so we don't need to do anything fancy. We just need to do sprite index is sprite Just grab this guy and add attack to the end. And script frame is 1, so we're on the first frame of this animation. Then we want to stop the current VO, and we want to find a new attack sound, and we want to play the attack sound. And voila! Axel is the type of guy that would arrest himself if he ever jaywalked. Yes. Are you calling me a nerd? Are you calling me not a cool gangster boy? Because I'm most definitely a cool gangster boy. And I do all the crimes. Every single one. Oh yeah. It feels like the tell is louder than the attack. I don't. Yeah, I'm not in the US, so I have not yet had to arrest myself. But there's always time. Let's actually make the hit sound a bit lower. Okay, let's look at these. Yeah, the walk is actually really good. It actually turned out very good. Let's listen to her walk a little bit. That sounds weird. Oh, she got 3 birds after her. She's in trouble now. Imagine you being over here and then just having a nice day. What's that? This is good sounds. These are good freaking sounds, guys. But the running in the distance is so funny. Like, listen to this again. Like, oh, did she lose me? Oh no! Oh no, that wasn't enough. I'm dead. I fucked up. I played with fire. Get out of here, frickin' bird. Get out of here, frickin' bird. Alright, so that's all the sounds except the build-up. So now we can't... Man, imagine how much slower this would have been if I had to recompile every time, man. Less for them. Less for them. So yeah, let's do the build-up, and for that we're gonna have to make the flower be our updated live thingy. So let's do that. Daily GM live plug. Ah, it's just too good. It's just too good not to plug. It's just too good. Get GM live from Yellow After Live's page. Thank you and have a nice day. Let's copy this old bag. And let's see if we can find our flower codes. I bet we can, guys. Oh, do we have the stun sounds? We didn't do the stun sounds. We don't have stun sounds yet for the grass grunt. So that's something that we're gonna have to ask for. I think we have the raw VO. We just don't have the fixed one. Okay, that's fine. We can do that another day. Let's see. Props effect. World 1. Props. Let's actually rename this one to just props. This one to just effects. Grass biome, flower, and the initialize. Let's update that one live. The initialize of our flowers. And then where do we spawn the grass grunt? This one. So let's make this one live as well. I think that's all we need. No, actually, we might want to do spawn animation as well. Just because, so we can stop the sound as well when it's finished spawning. Yeah, I think that's it. That's it. Let's compile. I have my TV on idle and I turn around to see a seagull eating another bird whole. What a tasty treat for you, Adam. I don't think the 1.4 one is out yet, but the Game Maker 2 one is out and ready to buy, I think. Birds eating birds. It's a bird eat bird world. In it. Yeah. See you around, Adam. Have a nice evening. Let's kill everything. No, I'm not gonna do anything with your memory, Adam. Who the fuck do you think you are? Jesus Christ. So what we want to do is build up sound and then do an array for that. You know the drill. You guys have seen me doing so many sound arrays today. You should be able to do your own. That's today's assignment. Make your own sound array. It could be very, very fun, actually. Very, very interesting and fun. So when it starts spawning, let's see. I guess we can do another one down here. That is if started spawning, and then we do if alarm 3. Oh yeah, alarm get 3. Can you do it like that? Yes. And then we need to just change this to alarm set 3. Then we just copy this guy over here, and we change this one to 5.5. Okay, so if it starts spawning, then we want to do build up equals no one. So we do let's see, we can just copy the code from before. Audio system. This. So we set the gain to 0.5. I think that's pretty good. Oh yeah, right. We need to choose the. Wait, we did the. I think we had a script for that. Var audio equals script audio array choose. Yeah, that's the one. Then you give it an array. And then we set the gain of that, which the array gives us back. And then we play that, and we set our build up to be that sound. So this should start. It should start playing the sound. And then we need to fix this one to be alarm. Alarm sets, so 3.1. And I guess we need to do it in here as well. Alarm set 1.1. 1.1. Why are we setting the same alarm twice? That's stupid. Alarm 4. Yeah, makes sense. So here we do spawn the little guy, and then we also stop build up sound. We do script audio stop, and then we stop build up, and that should be it. Let's see if that works. Don't Pico, he's gonna come back here over and over again just to bask in his sprinkle glory, and he won't get any homework done. Let's see here, spawn a flower. That did not play at all. We're getting an error on frame or on line 18. Yeah, still too helpful. Let's see here. $11. What? There's nothing of 11. $18. Okay, maybe we didn't update. Did we not save, maybe? Let's try again. It's not playing the sound. Why isn't it though? Spawn grass grunt. Let's do if spawn timer is more than 0 instead. Let's try with that. No, that didn't work either. Let's trace and see if we're actually getting this. Let's trace, build up. Oop. Maybe we don't even get to this part. Maybe. No, we don't. Oh, I didn't save? It doesn't seem like it updates. Oh, I'm a stupid! This isn't a script, of course it won't update. Oh, you idiot, man! We need to make scripts for these for them to be updating. Well, you gotta do something embarrassing each stream. That's a must. That's a must. So let's do script. Well, one. No, this is grass. This is supposed to be a flower. Flower. Grunt spawn check. And then let's move everything inside this. And let's put this one out here. And then I guess we need to do the same for the initialize. No, the initialize is a script, so that's good in the hood. However, the spawn anim one is not. Let's do spawn anim. Ba, ba, ba. Yeah, let's just grab everything here. Okay, now we should be able to. Now we should be able to. Guys, don't worry. I just make one mistake. I'm not gonna make more than that. Ooh, did I close down my Restream app? Oopsie, oopsie. That's not good. Let's hope I didn't miss a bunch of messages. Or let's hope I missed a bunch of them. So it looked like I was really important. Okay. Let's kill everyone. Too many embarrassing moments in this stream. Yeah. Yeah. I guess so. I guess so. But that's a part of being an evening game dev. You gotta do your best, you know? Okay, let's see if we play something. Oh my god, that was so good! That was so good! It was even synced to the pulses of the flower. Look at that! That's freaking amazing! Oh, that was too graphical. I think we need to. Okay, well, we don't need to worry about the flower. I think that was pretty perfect. What we need to look at though is the the gain of the death sound. It feels like it was all sound effect, no VO. That's kind of the impression I got. Oh, also I wanna get the new Shadow of Mordor. I wanna treat myself, you guys. I'm gonna do a little treat myself and buy Shadow of Mordor, or whatever the new one is called. It's probably not Shadow of Mordor, but Shadow of Mordor, the sequel. Because I really enjoyed the first one. So why not? I'm a grown man, I can play my video games, mom. Okay, let's tweak the death gain a little bit here. Is Adam still here? Jesus Christ, that man is supposed to be doing homework. Adam, he's probably just sneaking into the live stream chat and not even watching the stream. Yeah, that's what I told you, Pico. If you tell him you're gonna talk about him behind his back, he's just gonna crawl back. And look at us. Look at where we are. So what I want to do. Oh, we're not stopping. We should. No, we do stop. Okay, that's fine. So. Oh, wow. Ugh, I'm in the flower turret. Stupid man. So let's, instead of doing stupid things, let's do the smart thing. Go into the audio system for the enemy we wanna exchange. So here's the actual death things we want to look at. So let's make the VO louder, and let's make the sound effect, what's the opposite of louder? Quieter. Let's try that. Let's try on that for size. And when we're done with that, I think we're gonna close the stream for the evening, because I'm gonna treat myself. Well, that sounded really weird, but in the context of buying myself a new game. Okay, let's listen to this. But yeah, I think the grass grunt really turned out amazing. I really like it. I think it's really good. Yeah, that's much better sounds. One thing though is when you shoot her while doing the tail animation right now, she just gets completely quiet. See? What I want to do is start playing the tail sound again. Right, that's what we want to do, right? So if we shoot her, We set tell sound played back to 0. Let's try that, see how it works, if it feels good or not. Then it will be more like you interrupt her. Maybe you can just lower the volume of the sound till the other sound is done playing. Yeah. But then you get the issue where the character is saying two things at the same time. So she's kinda talking over herself. And I'm not sure, I don't really like that. But let's try this. No. What? Why did she keep screaming when done? No, that's not how we want to do it. If you lower the volume to 0, so basically non-existence. Oh, I get what you mean. That's actually what we're doing. We actually don't stop sound, so in this stop script here, we're actually setting the gain to 0. So we're actually just fading them out. So what you mean is that we fade them out, and then when the hit sound is done playing, we fade it back again. Yeah, that would probably be possible to do. We would have to give them other sounds though. I think for now, let's just keep it as it was before. I think it's good enough. If we want to look into it further later, we can do that. But yeah, I think this is it. Let's spawn a couple of these. It's so intense when you have multiple ones over here. Thank you, Pinko. Yeah, it adds a lot, and thank you, Pinko, and thank you, Pico. Yeah, it was absolutely worth just taking 1 or 2 days to make more flexible and more powerful sound systems. For example, so the same VO can't play twice in a row, and that we have a nice way for the characters to not speak over themselves and all that jazz. I think it adds a lot. Maybe people don't notice it, but they would notice if we didn't do it, I think. But yeah, I think that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time, and be careful out there. Oh wait, let's do the